Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will show you how to create a Meta Business Manager account. One thing I want to mention here is that Meta Business Suite and Meta Business Manager are the same. Why do we create a Meta Business Manager account? The main purpose of creating a Meta Business Manager is to manage multiple pages, add accounts, and business asset in one place. This allows you to control, secure, and maintain the privacy of all your business assets within the Meta ecosystem. To create a Meta Business Manager, open your browser and type business.facebook.com. Then hit the enter. Upon entering, your page will open. After that, you will see the option to create an account. Click on it. The first option is your business and account name, where you should assign the name you want for this business manager account. Then there is your name, where you mention your name. After that, your business email address, where you enter your business email. Once you complete this, there is a submit button. Click on it. Within a few seconds, the Facebook Business Manager account will be created. Now you see the done button, click on it. You can see that you are now in the interface of Facebook Business Manager account. In the next video, we will discuss how to create an ads manager under business manager, what the difference is between personal Facebook ads manager and the ads manager in the Facebook Business Manager, and how to add asset in Facebook Business Manager. Asset here refer to Facebook page, Instagram page, and business WhatsApp, etc. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and hit the bell icon to receive notification for my future uploads. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to drop them in the comment below.